Showing you my slime collection. Let's go. First is this Nickelodeon 3-pound, 3 colors in 1. I actually mixed the colors together, but this gets very messy all over your floor. It smells kind of weird like food. Because I do not eat in my room. That's one thing. Well, maybe sometimes, but not all the time. Next is this marshmallow whipped fluff slime. I've seen a lot of people have these. So yeah. I gotta do this quick. Time's running out. Next is this sea life creature event. This is the creature event. And last but not least, the time's running out. Oh god. This rainbow putty. Subscribe for more. Bye guys.